Hi, hello, morning, and welcome to Money Mantra. If you are buying any stocks or anything, please do your own research before purchasing the stocks. In this video, we will discuss about what are the basic parameters you have to make sure before buying the stocks. So once you are buying the stocks, the basic parameters when we see the price to earnings ratio. So the price to earnings ratio should be less than 15 is very good, or it should be less than the industrial PE. So the next case, once you see the next parameters, price to book ratio. The price to book ratio should be less than 1. Is a very good for the undervalued and should not be greater than 3. If it is goes greater than 3, it is to be the overvalued. Then it to be the PEG ratio. So the PEG ratio should be less than 2.5 and price to sales ratio should be less than 1. The current ratio should be greater than 1.222 and the quick ratio should be greater than 1. So the debit to equity should be less than 1 or 0 is the best one. Then the 52 weeks high to low ratio, so it should be in between 1.5 to 2. That is very good, pretty good. The ROCE should be greater than 15 percentage and year on year sales growth should be greater than 15 percentage, as well as year on year profit after tax should be greater than 15 percentage, and the ICR should be greater than 4x. The ICR means interest coverage rate. The interest coverage rate should be greater than 4x for the banking and all these things. For all these stocks, you have to look on the ICR. The promoters plus foreign institutional investors, domestic institutional investors should be greater than 65%. The operating cash flow should be higher level in 5 to 10 years. It should be in the higher level. There should be no stringing or anything. Unless the COVID is being there, there should be a little bit of stringing, but have to consider previous before how it is being there. So it should be greater than 5 to greater level in 5 to 10 years before when you are going to buy the stocks. The net profit should also be in increasing level. It should be in the increasing level from the last previous 5 to 10 years. Though then the stock's current market price, it should be greater than EMA 200 or something as per what you wished. But the pledges should be the promoters pledges to be 0. It is better. So some of the promoters, they will be pledged around the their whole part, and the market is to be a great depression, the stocks to be a great depression, so has to look about this pledging also. So this is the basic parameters before you have to buy the stocks. Then the next major thing is, before when you are going to buy the stocks, you must look for the previous integrities of the promoters integrity, how the management works and all these things. Better you have to make a look. So all these factors when we take in consideration, surely the stocks will mean it should be a good stock. But in case we have to know something depth knowledge, we have to look in this. So this is about the basic parameters before buying the stock. You have to make a look. I hope mostly it will be understandable. So if you like this video, please share, like and comment your advices. Thank you.